Hello, today is 4th of July. Happy Independence Day for everyone in America, or happy belated Independence Day by the time this video goes out. 4th of the month is usually when all the Patreon payments come in, and it has, so thank you so much to all my patrons. So today in the studio I'm going to be packaging all the packages. I think I have 42 packages to make today, so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I already have the paintings for this month's Patreon. You guys saw this in an earlier video, so that's packaged, and I also already have the card that goes into each package already, so that's good. I still have to package up the yellow ochre dot card, so we'll be doing that first, and then we'll be packing everything. The first thing I do with these dot cards is to lay a sheet of baking sheet over the top. Some of the paints are quite sticky, so I do this to prevent the dot card from sticking to the bag and then getting stuck in the bag. Next, I pop a little instruction on how to freeze the dot card. Because some of the paints do have honey, sometimes even the baking sheet is quite difficult to get off, and the neatest way to get the sheet off, if that happens, is to chill the paints for a little bit. So the instruction for that goes in there. And then I put them into glassine bags. And then tape them, and then it's all ready. I then print out all my labels, including the address labels as well as the return labels. This is my return label, and if you do Patreon and you got lots of people to send physical rewards to, label makers will save your life. The only thing with my label maker is it used to cut at the end of each label, so you get individual labels, but it doesn't do that anymore for some reason. I couldn't figure out how to fix it, so I am now going to have to cut these into little stickers. Of course, I also do the same process for the address labels, but I'm not showing that on this video to protect the privacy of my Patreons. And then it's a big session of putting lots and lots of stickers onto these envelopes. I put the address label, the email label, the return label as well. Now comes the declaration for customs, and as you can imagine, I do write a lot of these forms, so to make my life easier, I have made a stamp, or I have a stamp made that says watercolor sample, so I don't have to keep writing it like 50 times. And I also have a date stamp so that I don't have to write the date either, and today is July the 4th. Excellent. For your first month of your $50 tier, you get this Holbein full set dot card that I made by hand. It has 108 colors, all the colors that Holbein has. You also get 2 real paintings that I painted. You get the dot card of the month. This month is yellow ochre, as you saw earlier, and then you get the thank you card. After the first month for the $50 tier, you get the same 2 paintings and the dot card, and you also get a art supply that I've chosen. And this month it's this palette. It's an awesome palette I found in Japan, and it's very unique, so I thought that would make a really good reward for this month for the $50 tier. For the $25 tier, the physical reward is a painting, a dot card, and a thank you card. For the $17 tier, which is my most popular tier, you get a dot card and a thank you card. If you sign up to the $17 tier or above, you can also order some extra dot cards, and that's what these 2 are. So they're going to have the standard dot card as well as some extra ones from the previous ones. Thank you so much to these 2 people for ordering extra dot cards. You know who you are. And finally, for the $15 tier, they get a painting and a thank you card. So I've got everything ready and bagged up to take to the post office, and I'm really happy to got it done. Thank you so much to all my patrons for your support. I so appreciate your support, because without it I wouldn't be able to create art and create videos for you guys, and also to chat to you guys, because that's always so fun. If you'd like to receive this kind of rewards, then please do head on over to my Patreon, which is patreon.com/Oto Kano, where you can sign up to all sorts of things, physical rewards as well as digital rewards. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!